Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Sea Slayer here with another awesome video today. And we are going to be eating a grape with the Twix. Sounds pretty gross, right? Grape with the Twix. Pretty gross. Grab our grape out. Grape. Twix. Actually, okay. First bite was okay. Okay, that was pretty gross. That did not taste good at all. So never try that. Never try those together. There's a lot of gross things in life. That was one of them. It's pretty gross, but you know, we're here. We're having fun, right? Walking around doing stuff. You know. I'm about to leave for school. About to go to school. Got my Remy in her cage. I don't know why she's in her cage. Shouldn't be in her cage. Shouldn't be in her cage. Shouldn't be in her cage. She can come out, but she doesn't really want to. And I got my bag, kitty. That cat's bad. This kitty's bad. You know? Yeah, but we've had some fun. We've had some fun. I actually now am going to be doing a lot more videos every morning, probably. It's for Mondays, Fridays. And yeah, I am a little bit sick still. I'm coughing. Obviously I'm coughing. And you know Mini Monkey AJ, how he lives in my neighborhood and he's moving to Jacksonville now. So now we'll never really do a video with him. But we probably will do a video. Maybe tomorrow after I get back from the haircut, we'll go to Cool Matt 117's house and we'll do some Truth or Dare. That's just what we're saying. Might be an upcoming video. Truth or Dare might be upcoming. Might be very much upcoming. Truth or Dare. We'll either do Truth or Dare. We'll do some like awesome MLG again. Or do something else fun, you know. But I'll see y'all later. I need to go. Hope you guys are awesome. Please leave a comment of this video. Give me some challenges again. Leave me a comment. Leave a like, and subscribe. See ya. The Z Slayer out.